Right, we are on our last point for Excel. Use an appropriate type of graph or chart. Create a graph or chart comparing the total rental fee paid for each model of car. Place the graph or chart in a new sheet. Label appropriately. It must, however, have a title and either an access label or data label. Name this graph or chart total rental fee by model. Right. So we have our pivot table. I'm going to add a new sheet. Right. In the new sheet, it'll be chart. We'll just name this chart. Then we go up to insert. And we are going to do a 2D column chart. So I'm just going to click on column chart here. Nothing came up, right? As you could see, nothing here is because I did not select anything. So I'm just going to carry this around a little. And I'm going to click where you have chart design up at the top. Chart design. We go to select data. Select data. And it says here chart data range. So I'm going to click the little arrow. And then I'm going to go to the pivot table. And I'm just going to select right here. And not the grand total, just the tree, and then click enter. And it's going to write out for me and insert for me my table. There we go, right? However, there are a couple of things that we need to change about this table. Now, y'all could change your format, your design. You could change it up and make it bigger and smaller and change the colors and, whatever y'all choose to do. It doesn't make sure that it's clear for me to see, so that I can be able to give you all full marks, right? The title of the table is supposed to be total rental fee by model, right? So make sure that you come and you click here and you insert the appropriate title there, right? Also, if you click on this plus sign over here, you can add chart titles. Now, they said chart titles or data labels, but I want you to put in both. So, access titles. So, this will be model of cars, and the title here would be total rental fees. And you can widen it a little, right? So, make it show a little bit better. And yeah, that is it. That is the entire of Excel complete. Your Microsoft Word, you all would have to do your fillable form. I'm still waiting on some fillable forms to come. You have to do a mail merge letter. I will demonstrate the mail merge letter with you all later on. And the database we'll have to do in school. I may still send some videos on the database, but I would prefer to explain it in school. This is your final thing for your Excel, and I want you all have 2 weeks to complete it. I'm giving you all 2 weeks to work on it, and I would like people to submit to me the final Excel document with all of these: the car data, rental info, sorted info, simple filter, advanced filter, pivot table, and chart, all completed by the last day of school, which is the 8th of December. Right, so if you all have any questions, I will be out of the country, but I will have my phone with me. You can um, you can message.